Fiso says that Angelique is not a superstar. Angelique has lack of branding, guys. Lack of branding is killing him, guys. So here's Fiso saying that Angelique is not a superstar.
But where do we put Angelique as an artist in South Africa? Is he upcoming, intermediate, or an A-list artist?
Lack of branding, Angelique. Lack of branding, Angelique. It's a number one thing. So I can't put him there with the superstars.
They don't want to accept that influencers are the new celebrities.
Okay.
Podcasters are the new celebrities. But the fact that you are seeing me on TikTok every day talking my thing, when you bump into me in the streets, you don't give me that respect. You just talk to me like I'm a not really a nobody, but like wow.
This bro can afford a car. He doesn't want it.
I actually also believe that Taki can afford it.
I can't afford it.
Nah, you can afford the car.
So we care more about the brand and the person than the actual music. Yeah, we do care about the music, but it's more about the person in South Africa, in the world, man. If you've created like a strong name for yourself, your brand is that worth it? People are still gonna listen to your music, regardless whether this AI or not.
But me, as the listener of the person who's watching the video, am I gonna like feel or like
That thing, yeah, you're not gonna feel anything. The time to feel is gone. Angisayithola into special kuScott manje ngiyahluleka mhlawumbe mina ngiyi1 maybe ngisindwa ama royalties maybe ngisinda ikoloti there's a lot of branding that needs there, huh? If your PR strategy is mashudu yeah utopala Umit is a god, he's just an idiot.
Oh, you can't say that about someone.
I can't say. He's very irresponsible.
Just like yeah.
He's very irresponsible. So Omid is very talented and irresponsible at the same time.
if Zoe6 was to close down, which other venue would you suggest would be the
La Youth, come to La Youth, come there. Who do you think has more knowledge about the music business and cannot do a lot more between Nota and Leroy?
Don't get married to a girl, get married to a woman. Leroy is married to a woman. She's hands-on. When you see Leroy relaxed, it's because the woman is handling the shit.
Yep, guys, that was Fiso saying that Angelique is not a superstar. He must be not counted nearby superstar, guys. I don't know what's your take on this one, guys. You can leave your opinion and leave the comments in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you. What's your take on this one, guys? Once again, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel.